Ma'am, good morning classmate. I am Maria Shaira Maytilde Gaspi and I am going to report about the disability benefits. So, what is disability? A disability is any condition of the body or mind that makes it more difficult for the person with the condition to do certain activities and interact with the world around them. Although people with disabilities sometimes refers to a single population, and this is actually a diverse group of people with a wide range of needs. Two people with the same types of disability can be affected in very different ways. They have three dimensions of disability. First is impairment in a person's body structure or function or mental functioning. For example, loss of limb, loss of vision, or memory loss. Second, activity limitation such as difficulty seeing, hearing, walking, or problem solving. And lastly, participation recreation in normal daily activities such as engaging in social and recreational activities and obtaining healthcare and preventive service related to the condition that are present at birth and may affect function later in life, including cognition, mobility, vision, hearing, behavior, and other areas. Having a disability may be challenging, but it does not equate to unproductivity. In fact, the Person with Disability Act protects the PWD's right to work, ensuring they have equal employment opportunities through government-initiated workshop, apprenticeship, vocational rehabilitation, and training programs. In addition, government agencies, office, or corporation are required to serve at least 1% of their position for PWDs. So, ito yung mga trabaho na na-offer nila para sa mga PWD. First is accounting specialist. Every company needs a solid accounting arm to put its financial affairs in order, which is why it is no longer that based on the job report. Accounting is the most sought after role by employer. You can be a bookkeeper who documents and organize the company's daily financial transaction. If you have a degree in accounting, you can apply for an accountant position and be responsible for maintaining financial accounts and giving reports on your employer's financial outlook and performance. Second is call center agent. Roles in customer service, sales, and business development are also in demand during this time. If you are extrovert and talking to people energized, you try working as a call center agent. A position that can now be done from home depending on your nature of work. You may need any of these simple things before you start working. Basic trainings, a landline, a computer, internet connection, and headset. Third is IT professional. There has never been a better time to conduct business operation online. Nowadays, companies employ technology to stay competitive. Information technology or IT is here to stay, so an IT-related career promises job security. Work from home IT professional include computer programmers, IT technician, technical sales representative, web developers, and many others. Fourth, virtual assistant. Administrative and human resource rules stay relevant despite the constant change in various industries. Many foreign companies are often to remote virtual assistants who primarily perform administrative work, such as responding to email, setting up meetings, and organizing or online record. Fifth, counselor. Your experience as a PWD are valuable not only to you but also to others. By being a counselor, you can use your first-hand knowledge of navigating life's many challenges in comforting those undergoing similar struggles. You may even specifically cater to PWD, advertising them on relationship or employment and day-to-day living. The Professional Regulation Commission requires guidance counselor to hold a master degree in guidance and counseling. 6. Visual artists. Because individuals with autism spectrum disorder tend to have a keen eye for detail and have a preference for local processing tasks. Some have harnessed this strength in creating art. A recent study indicates that around 70% of children and adults with ASD have a special isolated skill in memory, which may explain why some of them excel in memory-related fields such as math, music, and arts. 7. Musician. People who are blind or have a low vision rely heavily on their sense of hearing to process information. This leads to their highly developed auditory skills. 8. Restaurant staff. Restaurants that employs with deaf people have increased in recent years and for good reason. Once the communication barrier has been surpassed, restaurant work has highly compatible with deaf people. 9. Graphic designer. Mental health issues such as depression and anxiety are recognized as disabilities. A satisfying job that promotes self-sufficiency can be a big step in helping people with psychological disorder recover. And lastly, entrepreneur. If you would rather be your own boss, then starting a business may be your path. Determine your interests and match this with your potential market needs. A successful business involves not only its marketability but also your passion. Disability benefits. Disability benefits are one of the elements of social protection system that explicitly address disability-related needs and provide income support to persons with disabilities and their families. These include both contributory schemes as well as non-contributory disability benefits. Article 1991, Temporary Total Disability. Under such regulation as the Commission may approve any employee under this title who sustain an injury or contract sickness resulting in temporary total disability shall, for each day of each disability or fraction thereof, be paid by the system an income benefits equivalent to 90% of this average daily salary credit, and subject to the following condition: the daily income benefit shall not be less than 10 pesos more than 90 pesos, nor paid for a continuous period no longer than 120 days, except as otherwise provided for in the rules, and the system shall be notified of the injury or sickness. Article 192, Permanent Total Disability. Under such regulation as the Commission may approve any employee under this title who contracts sickness or sustain an injuries resulting in his permanent total disability shall, for each month until his death, be paid by the system during such a disability an amount equivalent to the monthly income benefits plus 10% thereof for each dependent child, but not exceeding 5 beginning with the youngest and without substitution, provided that the monthly income benefit shall be the new amount of the monthly benefit for all covered pensioners affected upon approval of this decree. The monthly income benefit shall be guaranteed for 5 years and shall be suspended if the employee is gainfully employed or recover from his permanent total disability or fail to present himself for examination at least once a year upon notice by the system, except as otherwise provided for in other law, decrees or order or letter of institution. The following disability shall be deemed total and permanent. First is temporary total disability lasting continuously for more than 120 days except as otherwise provided for the rules. Second, complete loss of sight of both eyes. Third, loss of 2 limbs and or above the ankle or waist. Fourth, permanent complete paralysis of 2 limbs. Fifth, brain injury resulting in incurable imbecility or insanity. 6. Such as cases as determined by the medical director of the Phil system and approved by the commission. The number of months of pays recovered shall be defined and approximated by a formula to be approved by the commission. Article 193. Permanent partial disability. Under such regulation as the Commission may approve any employee under this title who contracts sickness or sustain an injury resulting in permanent partial disability shall for each month not exceeding the period designated herein be paid by the system during such a disability and income benefits for permanent total disabilities. A loss of a wrist shall be considered as a loss of the hand, and the loss of an elbow shall be considered as a loss of the arm. A loss of an ankle shall be considered as loss of a foot, and a loss of knee shall be considered as the loss of the leg. A loss of more than one joint shall be considered as a loss of one half of the whole finger or toe, provided that such a loss shall be either the functional loss of the use or physical loss of the member. In case of permanent partial disability less than the total loss of the member specified in the preceding paragraphs, the same monthly income benefits shall be paid for a portion of the period established for the total loss of the member in accordance with the proportion that the partial loss bears to the total loss. If the result in a decimal fraction, the same shall be rounded up to the next higher integer. So, the benefit shall be paid for not more than the period designated in the following schedule. So, harado complete permanent loss of use. So, kung naduwa ro 1 tab, bale 10 months pwede kang bayran. Kung 1 index finger, 8 months. Kung 1 middle finger, 16 months. 1 ring finger, 5 months. Kung 1 little finger, 3 months. Kung 1 big toe, 6, and 1 toe, 3. Tapos, do 1 hand, 39 months. And 1 arm kung 50 months. Kung 1 foot ay 31 months. And 1 leg, 46 months. 1 ear, 10 months. Both ear, 20 months. Hearing of 1 ear, 10 months. Hearing of both ear, 50 months. And kung naduwa ro imong pamantawan ay 25 months. In case of injuries or illness resulting in a permanent partial disability not listed in the preceding schedule, that benefit shall be an income benefit equivalent to the percentage of the permanent loss of the capacity to work. Under such regulation as the Commission may approve, the income benefit payables in case of permanent partial disability may be paid in monthly pension or in lump sum of the period recovered does not exceed 1 year. In Article 209 is Medicare. The Philippine Medical Care Plan shall be implemented as provided under ARN. And that would be all. Thank you.